Welcome to Gear Grinders, your go-to destination for the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're shifting gears and focusing on a true classic reborn, the 2025 Honda Shadow 750. A staple in the cruiser segment, the Shadow 750 has earned its reputation for reliability, comfort, and timeless style. With the 2025 model, Honda keeps the soul of the original intact while adding subtle updates that make this cruiser more refined and enjoyable than ever. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this bike continues to be a favorite. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Honda Shadow 750 embraces its retro cruiser roots with modern touches that give it a fresh appeal. Its low-slung stance, teardrop fuel tank, and sweeping fenders stay true to the Shadow's classic silhouette, while revised trim accents and new color options like deep pearl blacks, metallic silvers, and burnt orange add a contemporary flair. The blacked-out engine and chrome highlights offer a stylish contrast that complements the bike's overall rugged yet polished vibe. LED lighting has also been added for a cleaner, brighter, and more energy-efficient look, enhancing both style and visibility. Performance and powertrain. Powering the Shadow is a tried-and-true 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine tuned for smooth low-end torque and easygoing cruising. The engine produces around 44 horsepower and 47 lb-ft of torque, perfect for laid-back rides and effortless highway cruising. Paired with a 5-speed transmission and shaft drive, the Shadow 750 delivers a smooth, low-maintenance ride with the kind of dependability Honda is known for. The throttle response has been slightly refined for 2025, offering smoother roll-on power and a more satisfying feel on long stretches of open road or winding scenic routes. Safety and technology. While the Shadow 750 maintains its classic analog charm, Honda has added just the right amount of modern technology. The updated model now includes a simple but informative LCD insert within the speedometer, offering trip info, fuel levels, and gear position. ABS is now standard, providing extra braking confidence in various riding conditions. The suspension has been fine-tuned for better comfort and stability, ensuring the bike remains composed whether you're navigating city streets, weekend rides, or longer touring adventures. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda Shadow 750 is a cruiser that honors its heritage while quietly embracing modern enhancements. It's smooth, comfortable, and effortlessly stylish, perfect for riders who want a relaxed riding experience without compromising on quality. With its updated look, dependable performance, and refined ride, the Shadow 750 continues to prove that classic never goes out of style. For more reviews, updates, and deep dives into the world of motorcycles, keep it locked to Gear Grinders.